Welcome back to another super fantastic robust health and vitality tip for your information and educational purposes. What happens when we wear plastic foam and rubber insulated footwear on our feet? I'll use this demonstration to share. So here's a battery charger, and the battery will be representing mankind. The cathode will be representing the sun, and the earth the anode. So, sun, cathode, earth, anode. Having plastic foam and rubber insulated footwear is the rubber band. Underneath, you see there's no light indicating that there isn't a flow of electrons right now. So that's wearing plastic foam and rubber footwear on the feet. As soon as that rubber band is removed, instantly the electrons flow, restoring the negative ions, the free electrons, into the body. So we can eat food and convert food into electrons. We can walk barefoot and receive free energy, free electrons from the earth. Eliminates fatigue, inflammation, pain, swelling, improves energy, and also circulation, prevents the red blood cells from clumping together, prevents rouleau, so that improves oxygenation, so enhancing recovery for athletics, regeneration, healing. It's really super fantastic. So this walking barefoot or walking in conductive footwear, all other souls, restores the electron earth potential, and it equalizes the body with the earth. So walk barefoot, get yourself some conductive footwear. It also improves sleep, the quality and quantity of sleep. Are you looking for a super fantastic earthing pillowcase? Head on over to guidingneedleacupuncture.com. Click on the More button, Recommended Wellness Products. Scroll down to the Grounding Pillowcase. There's also a grounding mat, so you can do your Tai Chi, Qigong, yoga, meditation indoors, receive negative ions, free electrons, and recharge your batteries. Let's take a look at this earthing pillowcase. Super fantastic. Enjoy.